Suzhou Quanhua Biomaterial Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of compostable products, PSM and CPLA cutlery, PLA drinking straws, PLA film in China. Established in 2018, Quanhua witnessed fast expansion due to its international standard of management and sincerity in handling business, and continue to supply reliable quality goods as new title. The factory covers a total area of 9,000 square meters. Quanhua has been certified by ISO 9001, ISO 22000, ISO 14001, BRC, HACCP, GMP, and our products have certified by BPI, DNI, and OK Compost. Our products have been well recognized by many famous businesses in this industry in USA and Western Europe. Also covers restaurants, catering, hospitality, healthcare, in-flight catering, cafeteria, schools. Quanhua supplies to many well-known supermarkets, distributors, and food service industries worldwide. We assure our client of stable, reliable quality products with better benefits from the direct cooperation with Quanhua. Quanhua has R&D team and has brought in over 40 sets of advanced production equipments. We have strong ability at designing, prototype development, and product manufacture. Our rich industrial experience and expertise will help you to create the desired products to meet the specific market demands.